In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a paywall to Squarespace video page. Start by heading to your Squarespace account dashboard and opening the site you want to monetize. From the main dashboard view, choose Go to Website so you're working inside the site editor. In the left-hand panel, open Website, then go to Pages. Under Main Navigation, click the plus icon to add a new page and choose Videos. This creates a dedicated video page that can be gated behind a pricing plan. Back in Main Navigation, select your new Videos page to open its settings. Look for the option to add a pricing plan and select it, then click Create Pricing Plan to begin setting up access. Give your plan a clear, descriptive name so visitors instantly understand what they're getting. You can add an optional description to explain the content included and any conditions, and use the optional benefits area to bullet out what members unlock, like full-length videos, downloads, or community access. Clear messaging here reduces support questions later. Next, open the pricing section, choose fixed amount to set a straightforward paid plan. If you want a simple one-time purchase, select one payment. If you prefer to give customers an installment choice, you can also select two payments. Enter your price so it reflects the full value they'll receive. Now add a recurring option. Click Add a payment option and choose subscription. Enter the subscription price, then set the billing frequency. Click Repeats Every, set it to 1, and choose Month to bill monthly. If you want to encourage signups with a trial, toggle the free option to enable a free period before billing starts. Be sure the trial length and terms match what you intend to offer. When everything looks right, your plan name, description, benefits, one-time or split payment, and your monthly subscription option, click Create to save the pricing plan. Your videos page is now paywalled, and visitors will be prompted to purchase or subscribe before accessing your protected content. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure your site has an active commerce plan that supports paid access and that your payment processor is connected, or customers won't be able to check out. Use clear plan names like All Access Video Pass to reduce confusion. Finally, preview your site in a private or logged out window to confirm that the paywall appears as expected and that both one-time and subscription options work smoothly. That's it. Your Squarespace video page now has a professional paywall ready to monetize your content.